from Avenue. What you really coming na guys. So I'm starting my own sweet say I'm going to mag-eat in here, so it's not a problem. Oh, what up man? Alright guys, I'm finally reached home. Yeah, it's currently 10 minutes to 12. Yep. Get out of these jeans.
See my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm near you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. See my days are cold without you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. Baby, I don't know why you wanna do me wrong. See when I'm home, I'm all alone, and you are always gone. Boy, you know I really love you, I can't deny.
That's really not going to fall. Guess I can probably wash.
And I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Pink felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a 10. Like Daddy, all of the Barbies is pretty. Damn, all of the Barbies is bad. It's girls, and we ain't playing tag. Red, but he spank me when I get bad. I'm in LA, Rodeo Drive. I'm in New York, Madison Ave. I'm a Barbie girl. Pink Barbie dream house. The way Ken be killing shit.
Did somebody say butter? Yeah. Serve my lang butter this. Yeah. So guys, I'm pick guava off of the guava tree. One that belongs to me. Yes. Guava and that tree always tastes good. Alright, so I'm gonna cut it. Alright, so it's good. It's safe to eat, no worms. Hello. Tastes good as always.
I'm in New York, Medicine Ave. I'm in LA, Rodeo Drive. I'm in New York, Medicine Ave. I'm in LA, Rodeo Drive. I'm in New York, Medicine Ave. The way it was, you was good on the low for a favor. I'm so fed in love. Shit, what the fuck you were planning for? Feeling jaded up. Used to trip off that shit I was kicking to you. Had some fun on the run, though I give it to you. But baby, don't get it twisted. You was just another nigga on the hit list. Tryna fix any issues with a bad bitch. Didn't they tell you that I was a savage? Fuck your white horse and a carriage. But you never could imagine. Never said you could have it. You needed me.
So guys, this is not even funny. Yeah, but anywho, so while I was downtown earlier today, a girl bought $100 Pepsi. I'm like, $100 Pepsi? I didn't know they have $100 Pepsi, you know. Anywho, so she buy it and she drink it and she said it expire. So she end up that shit way. Yeah, so guys, be mindful. Especially when tourists are killing you, be mindful of what you're buying. Yep. Girl, it could have been her last $100, you know. And she take it to buy something for quench her tourists. And when she take a stock, it expire. A little bottle of Pepsi like this. Yep, for $100. So guys, I must say, be mindful. Check the dates on goods when purchasing. And be mindful of where you're purchasing items. So guys, we just add saffron to the water. The blue something is supposed to be saffron. But why is it so soggy? And it smells different. Oh man, if I go back out there, I can ask them why them saffron so different. This strip, my in always buy me the saffron. Oh man. This is weird. Like I use it. Literally sod past sod. Yeah. I don't like this new saffron. Some things are okay the way they are. Trust me, guys.
If that's a fact, then I'll be more than you ever could dream of. If all you need is the time, and I come into you, I better get all my love to you, my baby. I wanna stay by your side, be with you, cool you, and let you know everything will be alright. I wanna be down, I wanna be down, I wanna be down with you. No matter the time, I wanna be down, with what you go. I wanna be down, I wanna be down with you. No matter the time, I'm feeling like it. I wanna be down, wanna be down. Oh, yeah. I'm ready to pull up on you. I'm ready to do what I do. Baby, what you wanna do? Shoot your shot, cause I'm bulletproof.
Listen, wait me back.
Love it up, baby, what you wanna do? I'm ready to pull up on you. I'm ready to do what I do. This type shit have you wildin'. Last minute shit to the highest. Drip, drip, drip when you sliding. Bit, 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 baby, ride it. Don't hesitate when you get it, cause you know I like it. Taking up a date for you. Sweet baby, like it when you bite it. Can't just keep talking about it. We think too often about it. Can't just be cautious about it. I wanna get wild. Take me for a ride, boy. Show me your outside, boy. Know it's been a while, boy. I wanna get wild. I wanna drive you crazy. Pull up and tell me, baby. Fucking it up like Lucy Days. Ain't no way for him but some maybes. Don't be better than that shit like you're lazy. I need you to roll up in that shit like you're skating. Baby, ain't no hold up on that shit, I hate waiting. Shoot your shot and be patient. This type shit have you wildin'. Last minute trips to the highlands. Drip, drip, drip when you sliding. Bip, 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 baby, ride it. Don't hesitate when you cause you know I like it. Taking up a date for you. Sweet baby, like it when you bite it. Can't just keep talking about it. We think too often about it. Can't just be cautious about it. I wanna get wild. Take me for a ride, boy. Show me your outside, boy. Know it's been a while, boy. I wanna get wild. Oh yeah, you know you tried on time. Baby, bring it to me, try one lie. No, I need it more just one time, two times, a few times. You know that I need it to me, baby, right on time. Baby, bring it to me, try one lie. I'm putting in overtime and overdrive.
Give me low, turn me round, treat me like a watch, bust me down. On the kitchen floor, right on that towel. It's mine, and I want it now. Ow.
As the overhead sign says, a happy Monday to you all my viewers, my subscribers, and the people I'm not sure if they want to subscribe as yet, but thank you all for viewing and thank you all for the continuous support of my channel. And again, happy Monday to you all. Yeah, as girls say, look clothes. This is me for wash because I allow the clothes for pile up like said the work community laundry. You understand? I said I see 1, 2, 3 or a couple. Mostly a dozen them have to come out of the house and wash and put away and wait for me to wear it again. Yeah, man, I lie. Girls stay good day, especially from back way. Nice me. Yes, I think I finally done hang out. Yeah, I fix the strap them. Yeah, look down there, look out the road. Look for you guys. I'm gonna look a dance. I say yeah. YouTube, Amanda's Realty, subscribe, like and share and hit the notification bell Alright, take out my little pink pan, yeah, wash it out and put it down, yeah. So that is it, guys.